Guys, in this video we will see how to manually install Windows updates on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes it happens that you fail to automatic update in your system. Then to manually install Windows update, first stop Windows update services. To do so, go to Run dialog box, press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box, or you may press right click on Start button and choose Run. Here type services.msc to open services windows in your system, and here services windows will now open, and here look for Windows update services and stop them. Right click on it and choose a stop. You may apply a double click on it, and from where you can also set a startup disable and stop Windows update services. Finally, choose a startup type, choose as manual and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Close the window and go to your Google Chrome browser, and here look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Type Microsoft Update Catalog in search field of Chrome browser and open first result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it. Here Microsoft Update Catalog window open. Thereafter go to settings. From the left side choose Windows Update. Click on check for updates. Here you will find all available updates. Simply download updates nomenclature KB and copy this and paste it in search field and click on search. Now this KB update will visible here, all its related update. Simply click on download button against each update and follow on screen instruction to download and install Windows Update manually in your Windows 11 and 10 system.